My name is Anton Huber. I'm the CEO of Handshake, a pharma IT specialist with more than 30 years experience in GXP and data integrity related subjects. We are doing IT consulting, project management, and troubleshooting. And to address special gaps, we developed our own solutions, Smart Audit Trail, to add audit trail capability for Windows-based solutions which do not support that natively, and to address data integrity gaps. Smart Logbook, a solution for electronic logbooks, and Smart Document System, which is a form-based document management system to capture all the information during GXP, production, and research electronically from the beginning. If you're interested, please arrange for a personal meeting. We are happy to talk to you. Thank you very much and have a great day.